Hi everybody, Big Bong here and welcome back to another review. So I know that some of you are watching my videos in order to practice your listening skills in English. Now listening is one thing and most of you probably understand everything I'm saying, or let's say you can watch movies without subtitles for example. But speaking is on another level. It takes way more brain power and the path to mastering it can really take you out of your comfort zone. So if you're interested in becoming fluent in English, then I might have the perfect app for you. It's called LingoChamp and it's pretty revolutionary because it involves artificial intelligence. So without further ado, let's see how it looks like. Alright, so I've just launched the app and here is basically my progress, but if we go to the second tab called Explore at the bottom, we can see three modes: Core Curriculum, Oral Courses, and Special Courses for Business English. Today I'm using the Premium Plus subscription, so I have access to all the modes, and I'll show you around just to give you an idea of how the app works. By the way, all subscriptions have a 3-day trial, with more than 300 free dubbing exercises, so why not download it right now so we can try it together? The link is in the description. Now, some of you might already know, but English is not my native tongue, and when I edit my videos, it's frustrating to see how many mistakes I make. So it could be interesting for me to see my actual level in English, and I'll do that by taking the placement test. Alright, so to test my English level, we'll go to the last tab, Me, and then here we have Test My English Level. Here we go. Start the test. Would you like to take the test now? The highest score you receive will be used to help identify the optimal starting level for your core curriculum. Confirm. Warm up. Let's warm up before the test. This part won't affect the test result.
Hello.
This is a bus.
1.
Alright, let's start the test now. Part 1.
It's cloudy today.
It's cloudy today. She's wearing a coat because it's very cold today.
How is the weather today?
Yes, please. It's hot. I'm fine, thanks. I'm from China.
Wait. What was it again? I think it's B. Yeah, here we go.
Her car didn't start because its battery was dead.
Why didn't her car start?
Because her battery was dead. It didn't start. She got a new battery. It needed a new battery. Part 1 completed. Keep going. Part 2.
Why didn't you let me know you were going to be late?
I was in the wrong building. I knew I was going to be late. I thought you already knew. I got on the wrong bus. Well, I thought you already knew.
John still hadn't arrived at the park by the time Sally and Mary came.
Sally came before Mary did, so we don't know about that. Mary was the last one to arrive. Mary and Sally got there before John. Yeah. Part 3. That restaurant is very popular, so you need to make reservations a week in advance.
The hotel is across the street from the subway stop.
The hotel is across the street from the subway stop. Okay, so this is my test report. My score comparison. Can do this level. Understand numbers and time, briefly introduce yourself and your family, simple conversations with English speakers, be able to travel abroad, adapt to a purely English environment. So this is my capability. Listening 86, speaking 100, reading 100, vocabulary 93, and grammar 87. So as you could see, there were a variety of entertaining and gamified exercises. Now let's try the input part with first the core curriculum. There are 8 levels of systematic courses created by native English speakers with detailed performance analysis report after each lesson. I'm currently level 5 and here we go.
Hello, everyone. I'm Alix. Welcome to today's English Masterclass. Today's topic is going to your high school reunion. We tend to have mixed feelings about high school.
So that's basically how it looks like. Input learning. Now, business English, as the name says, is more focused on covering professional English used in interviews, meetings, presentations, and emails. So let me show you briefly, but it's going to be very similar to what we did during the placement test.
Emily is Chinese. She is a secretary. She works for the Lao Group. The Lao Group is a shipping company. It ships goods all over the world.
What does her company do?
She works for the Lao Group. It's a large company. It ships goods. So the next step is the output portion of the learning with Coach Alix. Here you can see AI Talk, which is basically a virtual teacher who can chat with you like Siri with Apple products, but specifically with English teaching content. So let's give it a try. Staying in a hotel. What facilities, goods and services does the hotel provide? Please adjust the volume, tap the mic below and speak. Yes. Yes. I can hear it clearly. All right, let's go.
How are you today?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
Perfect, thanks. What's this kind of in-room amenity? If you are not sure of its English name, you may just say, I don't know.
It's a toothbrush.
Good. You are right. What do we use to wash our hair?
We use shampoo.
Right. Shampoo can help us to clean our hair. What can you use to wash your body or clothes?
I can use soap to wash my body and clothes.
Good. The use of soap provides a healthier environment for us. Very good. You learned a lot from this lesson. This is the final part of our lesson, and let's review what we learned today. So in this lesson, we learned how to stay in a hotel.
I can see great progress in your vocabulary,
Well, thank you.
but you've still got a lot to improve on your pronunciation.
Here we go.
Still, I have to say, you are a really hardworking student, and I enjoyed all your improvements. So that's all for our class today. It's been really nice talking with you.
He's
I'm
very
looking
nice.
forward to our next class already. Hope you have a great time and see you.
Well, I have to say, that's very pleasant. He's extremely supportive and nice. And finally, you get your performance analysis report. Expression ability 85.5, so I guess that's not bad at all. 80% users have increased their English expression ability by 7.8 points after completing 3 courses with Alix. Fluency, you answered 22 questions with ease. Vocabulary, so in this lesson you've already spoken 137 words. Wow. Again, I have to emphasize on the fact that what's really amazing about this app is its AI-powered speech recognition coupled with the assessment engine, which means that you can listen to the original audio from an English speaker first and then record yourself on top of that. This method is called shadowing, and it's a method I use in every language I learn to get my pronunciation as close as possible to the native one. As I said earlier in the video, there are hundreds of dubbing exercises, but the great thing is that you can make your own dubbing videos. They will appear in the ranking charts, and you can also watch and like other people's video. It's a really good practice before facing native speakers in real life.
We have learned to love ourselves. So now I urge you to speak yourself.
We have learned to love ourselves, so now I urge you to speak yourself.
So that's it for today. If you really want to become fluent in English, then you should definitely give it a try. All the details are in the description. Please give me a thumbs up if this video was helpful. Don't forget to share and subscribe to support this channel, and I'll see you soon for more videos. Bye!